Welcome to the second Ren'py tutorial. Now we're going to talk about editing and making dialogue. Characters and dialogue. First things first, you want to click on this button that says script.rpy. This is where everything's handled, like your characters and basically your story. So, first things first, we need a character. To create a character, it's really simple. Type in define. Define creates a variable. Next is the variable's name. And then the character function. Okay, I am going to explain what this means. Define essentially defines a variable. It's a way of creating a variable. This is essentially the variable's name. And the variable is equal to the character. Character, this function creates a character with this name. Let's go ahead and create another character. So now that we have two characters, we can create dialogue between the two characters. To create dialogue, it's fairly simple. First things first, you put the letter or whatever you titled your variable, and then you put a space and then two quotation marks. In between these quotations, you can type what you want your character to say. I want my character to say, "Good morning, Bob." And I want Bob to say, "How are you feeling today?" And this will allow our characters to talk to each other. But as you can see, their names are the color of their names are the exact same. To change this, we can use, as it states right here, the color argument. By simply typing color equals two quotation marks, and then a color, wrong tab, you want to type in your color. In this case, we're just going to copy and paste. And with those two arguments, you can see the two names are different. There's another way of displaying dialogue. If you display dialogue, another way to display dialogue, it's like this. By putting two quotation marks, you can display text like this. Now, what this will do, this line is the exact same as this, but there's no speaker. It is just going to be text without a name. See? It's just text without a name. And if you want to have someone talking and you don't want to define a character, you can do this arrangement and you type in the name of the speaker. And what this will do is essentially, rather than a nameless text being nameless, it will have a name. I believe that concludes the dialogue segment. So thank you for joining us. And I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.